Long before humans ever walked the planet, Earth was a constantly changing world shaped by fire, water, and time. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth formed from swirling clouds of dust and gas left over after the Sun was born. In its earliest days, the planet was a truly burning sphere of molten rock from the core to the surface. Volcanoes erupted without stopping while meteorites constantly crashed into the surface. The air itself was thick with toxic gases, including methane, ammonia, and a lot of carbon dioxide. As the planet slowly began to cool down over eons, rain fell for millions of years straight. This endless rain filled the deepest basins, finally creating the very first oceans on Earth. These vast, new oceans ultimately became the cradle, where all life would first begin. Around 3.8 billion years ago, the first simple, single-celled organisms started to appear in the water. They lived completely underwater, feeding on the available chemicals and energy from sunlight. Over immense stretches of time, some of these tiny life forms started producing oxygen through photosynthesis. This gradual release of oxygen slowly transformed the entire atmosphere, making complex life possible later on. Many millions of years after that, life naturally evolved from those simple cells into more complex creatures. Primitive plants began to spread across the barren land, turning the rocky surface into green landscapes. Insects, fish, and early amphibians followed shortly after, cleverly adapting to all the different environments. Then the planet entered a true age of giants when mighty reptiles came to dominate the land masses. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for an astonishing stretch of over 160 million years. While they walked the continents, massive sea creatures filled the oceans completely. Simultaneously, giant flying reptiles ruled the open skies above the prehistoric world. Earth's history before humans was also shaped by incredibly dramatic global events. Continents were constantly drifting apart, building up massive mountain ranges and deep ocean trenches. Long periods known as ice ages froze vast regions of the globe solid. These cold spells were often punctuated by warm periods that allowed life to flourish in new ways. About 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid impact caused the catastrophic extinction of all the dinosaurs. This event spectacularly opened the entire path for the rise and diversification of mammals. This ancient Earth was undeniably wild, incredibly powerful, and always ever-changing. It was a dynamic planet preparing completely unknowingly for the eventual arrival of humanity.